Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. My name's Jame and this is my jam. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this bag that, yeah, it's throwing me way off. It just came in the mail, and even though it's only Wednesday, I'm filming for Saturday because there's no way I'm waiting to open this bag. And I am so excited. I did not think this would ever happen. This is a relatively rare bag. I would say generally hard to get. And
is it hard to get, or does it play hard to get?
It's hard to get.
Okay.
Because in order to get it, you have to let the company know that you'd be interested in getting it. Then, when you're interested in getting it, what they do... I gotta open this upside down. What they do is they shoot you an email, and then if you don't get the email right away, you're not getting anything. So you get the email, you run to the site, and then you purchase whatever you want to purchase, and you check out right away. So I went to the site because I knew I wanted this, and I wanted it in a particular color, and I didn't think it was ever going to be a possibility. It'll make more sense in a minute. But when I got the notification that I get notifications from this brand all the time, anytime they do a new drop. And usually by the time I read it, I go to the drop and everything's sold out. It sells out like that. And so what I did was I have two separate email addresses, and one goes to my phone, the other one doesn't. So I switched my email address with them so that my notifications went to my phone. And all of a sudden I got a notification last week, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know they were doing this. And I can finally get this color that I wanted. And then I clicked on the link, and oh my gosh, there were different colors available, and there was one that just spoke to me. So I clicked it. I clicked add to bag. I knew to purchase it right away, not trying to wait to get multiples at one time. So I purchased it, got it all okayed, went in to go get a second color bag, and everything was sold out. So it was just meant to be that I get this one, and I am so excited. So here's what the box looks like, and this is why I believe I have it upside down. I don't know that you'd recognize it yet.
It's the White Box Company.
Right? Taking those out to try to help here. This probably isn't much more help unless you know you know. It says global supply chain telephone. Now, if anybody's been watching my channel for a while, you should have an idea what this is. And I already have one of these. And I don't ever use it because I don't ever want anything to happen to it.
That's not a reason to not use it.
It is, because they're so hard to get. But now that I got another one, I can use them. Same thing. Global supply chain telephone. You guys are probably wondering, like, what? A bag? What's it got to do with the telephone? And it's going to go this way. And it says on the card, first, we asked a factory in Peru to knock off a Birkin bag. And then it looked like this. And they show you a little picture of a Birkin bag. And then it says, next we told a factory in Portugal to mash it up with a Celine bag. And they made this. And you can kind of see a little picture of it there in gray.
Boy.
Then we had a factory in India combine it with a Dior bag, and it came out like this. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell. But take a screenshot, then you can enlarge it and do stuff like that. And I've been starting to watch this guy, Tampa Bay Jay, and he always says, take a screenshot. It'll last longer. And then you can look it up. Finally, we asked a factory in China to merge it with a Balenciaga bag. This is the end result. And I'm not showing you the picture, so you may now know what I got another one of.
Mm-hmm.
So I really wanted the orange one, and that's what I was... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my heart just started thumping super hard.
Is there a naked picture of me in there?
No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know how sometimes you see colors and you're like, yeah, like Coach is notorious for showing one picture, a bag and a color, and then you get the bag in person and it's never matching what it looks like online. This bag. It's actually from the company Mischief. I got the green with the hot pink. It was between this one and the hot pink bag with the green piping. But the green spoke to me more. And so I got the green. The hot pink was gone when I tried to go back and get a second one. Didn't even get the orange one. I had no idea they were doing different colors. So, Global Supply Company Telephone, I guess that's what it's supposed to
Supply
stand for.
chain.
Sorry, yeah, see, you know already. So, let's just look at this bag. Oh, have you ever seen piping like this on your life? And then in a green bag. So, here's the front. The side. The back. The other side. This little pocket in the back there. It says design in United States, Peru, Portugal, India, and China. And then here's the bottom. It's got a little zip here and some black. Then it opens up. And then the interior is a big black hole with it's got the print. There's actually print on the, can you catch the print? It's got a pattern on it.
On the bottom, yeah.
Yep. And then you got the little tag here,
yep.
And you could fit something in here. It's like a little pocket. And then it comes with she's like the prettiest thing I ever seen. I know it's not for everybody. Don't get me wrong. I know some people are going to be like, that green bag and that pink, thanks, but no. I am like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the strap. Beautiful leather strap. It's adjustable. Oh, I think they changed it a little bit, how it goes on. I'll have to have you put it on because I couldn't figure out how to put it on the last time. So here, maybe they didn't. Here is my first one. Looks like they're pretty much identical. The only difference is I would say the bottom here says Mischief on the original. And on this one, it's got the Global Supply Chain Telephone. But the backs are the same. The leather pebbled, the blue pebbled leather is a little bit like bigger pebbles. I think the bags are pretty much the same size.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Just different size pebbles.
I am so excited because this, I mean, obviously for me, this isn't going to be an everyday bag. It's just too small. But I figure I'll use it like I use my little Tabby 20s. Like when I want to just run and go. And this one just makes my heart happy. And this one makes it even happier. I never ever wanted to use this bag because they're just super hard to get. And I just would have felt just sick if anything happened to it. And that I couldn't get another one. And now I have another one. So now I can use one of them. Probably give me this one. I was going to try to show you where the things go in right here. There's a little tiny loop that luckily Mick could find. And then it goes on the opposite side there. So I was just going to see if that looks the same here. Yep. There's the
one loop
there. And the other loop there.
A couple of fruit loops. Oh. Trying to decide if it reminds me more of ice cream or candy.
Yes. And this is functional, that little zipper spot in here. Although I don't know what you put in here besides
a quarter.
Yeah, maybe 2.
Okay.
Maybe 2, just like the Celine bag.
So you could put a wrapper in there, like 50 cents.
No. So, like, you can see, there, to me, there's a few things that scream Celine. Obviously, the zipper, the handles and the curve match that on the Celine. Obvious what a Balenciaga it's mimicking. I don't see much of the Birkin in it. And Dior, I guess kind of reminiscent of the saddlebag. But, oh, I can't believe it. So, I never thought I'd get another bag. I've tried. Ever since I put my name in for this, Mischief contacts me, whenever they have a drop of anything. And like I said, every single time they have a drop, I read my email from that email account at night. So by the time I click on the drop, everything's sold out. I don't ever get anything. I only heard, I'm sure they've done it more, but I've only heard of one other bag drop where they did the original colors. They were pink, white, black, blue, and orange. And I know they sent influencers a bunch because I think Cassie Thorpe got a blue one and an orange one. And then they did a small run where they did just like a creamish white and a black. And I wasn't interested in them, so I didn't even try. But I just thought, well, if they did those, maybe they'll do another drop sometime. So I put my name in, I looked every time. And they did another drop where they did the blue, the orange, I want to say the pink and the white. Of course, I was way too late to get any of those. And that's when I switched my email finally to be with on a different email account that goes through my phone. And the other day I had no idea they were going to do another drop. No clue. Because usually they'll say something. Like you'll get an email ahead of time that'll say, oh, these bags are going to be dropping. And I never saw anything when it said, Global Supply, all I saw was Mischief Global Supply, and I'm like, oh, that's the bags. So I clicked on it immediately, like within seconds of getting it, opened up the page thinking I'm getting my orange one, and saw this. And then the pink one next to it, and I'm like, no, I'm not getting the orange one. I'm getting this one. Bought it, went out, went back in. Pink was sold out, orange was sold out. So I just got the green, and I'm happy with that. I don't think I'll try to get any more.
One's a nug.
But no, one is not a nug. 2 is a nug.
Uh-huh.
2 is a nug. They're just so cool. I'm sorry.
That's from Home Alone, in case anybody's wondering.
I like quirky. I like color. I mean, this bag is just right up my alley. I think it was like $650.
American?
Yeah, and at first I thought, nah. But that's the cost of an SLG nowadays. This is a bag. So the piping is perfect.
The Frankenbag.
It is, stop calling it that. It is not.
Oh.
No, it's beautiful. So that's what I have for you today. I can't believe stop it. I cannot believe how when I opened the dust bag, my heart just, because it hasn't done that in a long time with a bag opening.
Thanks for clarifying that.
I just love this. I just absolutely love it. But I close the zipper again on it. I just think it's so cool.
I think it's interesting that they changed the the front there from Mischief to the GSCT.
Yeah.
Wonder why that is.
I don't know. So that you know when you have a first edition.
Maybe.
No, yeah, I am just thrilled. I just think this is the cool. That's what's reminiscent of the Birkin. The flaps. Right here, that's just like a Birkin. Okay, now I got it. So, yeah, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's cool.
We know you enjoyed it.
I know. I keep, like, oh, it's just so neat. So, on the pink pipe, I love it. So, what do you think? Are you for it? Are you against it? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, that's my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I put out videos in regards to contemporary and luxury related bags and small leather goods, things like that, on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every other Thursday or every third Thursday maybe, I put out a book related video where I just do a book haul, show you what I've purchased, what I've been reading, what I want to read, what I'm currently reading. Just go over that on Mondays, sometimes Tuesdays, but generally try to get out on Mondays. I do a bag swap where I swap from one bag into the next bag. Might have to give one of these a go just to do it for a week and just keep a
You're
little
gonna
bit
have
in
to.
it. And then, yeah, I do bag swaps on Mondays, and you can find me over on Instagram too at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.